Alright. This is gonna be the last Pokemon I draw before my SD card runs out. Let's just hope we have enough time. Alright, let's do this. Alright. This is a risk we're gonna take, folks. I mean, this is a risk we're going to take, everyone. In this video, we're gonna draw Volcarona. Volcarona is codenamed the Sun Pokemon. He's a bug and fire type. Ancient people held fearful respect for Volcarona, whose flaming scales reminded them of the raging sun. Legend says it emerged from a burning cocoon to provide warmth to people and Pokemon stuck in the cold. Hope it works.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay. Drawing Volcarona takes a lot of time and energy. So let's get started.
Cause I know I'm a winner. Knock me down, I'll just get up again. You've met your match, yeah, I'm no beginner. Pokemon, Pokemon, gotta get some more. You've met your match, yeah, I'm no beginner. Pokemon, Pokemon, gotta get some more.
Got that done. Now let's draw this part. That is its tail. Basically, I prefer it to be called its thorax. Alexa, what is Tenontosaurus?
According to Wikipedia, Tenontosaurus is a genus of medium to large-sized ornithopod dinosaur. The genus is known from the late Aptian to Albian ages of the Middle Cretaceous period sediments of western North America, dating between 115 and 108 million years ago. The genus contains two species, Tenontosaurus tilleti and Tenontosaurus dosi.
Alright. Alright.
Knock me down, I'll just get up again. You've met your match, yeah, I'm no beginner. Pokemon.
Alright, now for Volcarona's butterfly wings. Or should I say, butterfree wings. now we just draw spots. Volcarona is a fire type, and his body resembles the sun. We have to draw it like it's the wind. We have to draw it like they're wings, like they're the shape of the sun.
Cause I know I'm a winner. You've met your match, and I'm no beginner. No beginner.
Alright. This Pokemon is done. This Pokemon is complete. It's finished. We finally did it. And with 2 minutes to spare, I dedicate this to all you master designers out there. And as soon as my SD card is reloaded and recharged, I can finally get my eyes started on more fabulous ideas. And in case you guys are excited and ready for the next episode, I guarantee you it's on the way real soon. Have a nice season, everyone. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Farewell. Merry Christmas.